media. Yes, man.
I don't even know what to find all them things there. I know my G. I'm saying, man, I try to fix all the whole of this.
Excuse me, you were anything about phones?
No, I know, baby love. I don't really know nothing about phones, in. Well, hey, you supposed to get help you still in there, yeah, man. Forward, me used to do electrical work and them something there in high school programming, you see me? Let me see what I'm going with it. Sit down here, let me see it and check. So what you say I'm doing?
So every time I turn it on, it says insert pin, please. And I insert a pin and it still don't work.
Oh, forget your pin, man. I easy fix that still, you know. Easy fix that.
No, man. I have a lot of pins, see?
Okay, what you using them for?
The pins are insert in the phone. Duh.
What?
Yeah, look. It says insert pin and I insert the pin into the phone. And it still not work.
My girl, none of that mean when them say you must insert pin in that phone. Oh, man. Yeah, them mean say you have to insert
wrong pin. Yeah. Thanks. Hi guys. I'm Bree. You don't know me, but I'm over here on Kevin's channel. Check out my channel.
And that me did not go do still, but she do it herself. Make sure someone go subscribe to Bree's channel, right? Make sure someone go over there go watch the video that we did for her channel. Hit the like button, the share button over here. Definitely subscribe. Follow Bree on Instagram at
_Bree not Bree Shafe.
Spell it out.
_BRICHAFE.
Yes. So now go. Make sure someone go over there and a new video with me and Bree over there. Oh no, I don't want to see it, trust me. So, and subscribe while you're there over there too. Right?
Thank you guys.
Yeah, man. I don't look a stalker you with a cute girl, so I want to go do best.
The pins are insert in the phone. Duh.
My girl, and that they mean when them say you must insert the pin in my phone.
So what do they mean? As in, it says insert pin, and I put a pin in the phone. Look. Wait.